Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install Node.js onto your PC. First step is to open up Google Chrome, and then inside of Chrome, you guys want to type in Node.js download, and then left click the first link right here, and then click the Windows installer. If you guys have a Mac, you can click that, but for me, I have a Windows, so I downloaded the Windows installer. Double click on the download right here, and it should open up a little setup right here, and then click next, agree to the terms and stuff, next, and then inside of your destination folder, you got some changes if you want. I'm gonna keep it default. Press next one more time, next again, and then install. And then and then inside of here, do you want to allow to make changes to the app? Yes. And then it's gonna start copying stuff over and downloading Node.js for you. So this is going to take a couple seconds here, but once it's done, you guys can see Node.js has been successfully installed onto your PC. Hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial, and just press finish and have a great rest of your day. Peace out.